One of the things that we are best known for is putting our special touch on pretty much every project we do. Whether it's furniture, wall decor, pillows, Christmas ornaments, you name it, we've customized it. That's why we were so excited to learn about Cricut's newest tool, the Maker, which is pretty much the most versatile cutting tool on the market. And we've teamed up with Cricut to show you how amazing and easy it is to use and exactly why you need one. One thing that we dread the most is a learning curve. So we get a new box in and it's like nerves because we know we're gonna have to put it together and learn how to use it. And who's got time for that? We got furniture to build. But one really awesome feature about the Cricut Maker was how easy it was to set this up and use it. So what you get in the box, you're gonna get the machine. Ooh. So exciting. And guys, this machine is versatile, but it's also pretty darn cute. All right, so let's quit talking about it and show them how fun it is. Let's do it. The project we're building today is a decorative frame. All you need is a barnwood frame, a sheet of faux tin, we'll link to that in the description box below, and a thin sheet of plywood. Project time. So this is so simple, guys. Whatever size your frame is, you're gonna go ahead and cut your tin and your wood to that size. All right, step one is to use a hot glue gun, and we're going to attach this faux tin to the plywood with hot glue. I love hot glue. It's just the best. It really is. All right, lots of globs, and we're gonna lay it on there. So the next step, step two, is gonna be taking that hot glue, and I'm adding a line of it on the inside of my frame right here. Did we mention we love hot glue? Give me all the hot glue. We're gonna take our tin and wood and stick it in place. Press it down till it dries. This is done now. Now it's time to use the Cricut. Yay! Like we said, this is the most versatile cutting tool on the market. It can cut hundreds of materials from thin tissue paper to wood and leather. And that's exactly what we're gonna show you guys today. We're gonna be cutting some wood and showing you just how easy it is. So this is just basswood from our hobby store, and we are going to be attaching it to the Strong Grit mat, which is sold separately. But it's great for doing leather and wood and other thicker materials. When you attach it, we are going to be adding a piece of tape all the way around, and that just holds it in place and gives you a little added insurance. And then we're ready to start our design. The Cricut software comes with tons of options that come with the membership every month. However, we decided to make our own, so we just picked a simple font, chose a simple word, and then we pressed make it. So simple. So simple. Now it's time to load that cutting mat into the Cricut. We're gonna slide it underneath that rolling bar and click the arrow button. Design is done, mat is loaded, and now we're ready to push the Cricut button. The Cricut cuts a variety of thickness of material. We're using a thicker basswood for this, so it's going to make several passes to get that full cut. Cut it out. This guy is awesome, and it's really nice to watch the machine do the work instead of us doing the cutting. Oh yeah. What's really cool is that it updates you with how much time it will take to get the project done, so you can decide if you can go do laundry, pick up the kids, maybe go start dinner, and then your cuts are done. Passes are done, so we are going to make sure those cuts are made completely all the way through, and then we're gonna unload that cutting mat. We have stained our word and hot glued it onto our tin. And look how cute. I love this project so much, but check out the other projects that we've made with the Cricut Maker. Look how cute this pillow is. We used the Cricut Maker to cut out heat transfer vinyl, and then we attached it to a pillow cover. And check out this Christmas ornament. This maker even cuts chipboard. But what's so awesome about it, guys, is that you can totally customize this. You can pick your own word. You can maybe do a family name. You can totally make it your own, or just pick some of their really awesome options in their software. So if you haven't finished your wish list for Santa this year, we highly recommend adding this Cricut Maker to the top of your list. And share your projects with us. We want to see what you create with it. So use hashtag #ShandyTheChic so we can check them out. And to help you, we've even added a link in the description box below to some ideas and inspiration from Cricut. Cut!